How to add a tag to a tour. A great way to add more information to your tour for the audience. First, navigate to the My Tours section of your Asteroom mobile app. Then navigate to a tour that you've created previously and select it. Select the image that you would like to add a tag to, such as here, the staircase. Then select the tag button at the bottom. Add the description and title to your tag. For this example, I will be using piano. Description, new. You're able to add links, such as if there's a video link you'd like to display, image links, audio links, change the icon style, and much more. Once you're happy with your description for the tag, select Done. To adjust the location of your tag, simply select it, hold, and drag it. You can further adjust it, such as the size of it, by selecting the icon and then clicking Adjust. You can use the forward and backward arrows to adjust the size of the icon. When you're happy with it, select OK. Your tag has now been added to a tour.